guys, it's me, Landon, and today I will be showing this video on YouTube, and I only have 4 subscribers, so keep the subscribers coming, keep the likes coming, keep everything coming, keep views, subscribers, likes, all that. So yeah, so guys, my friend Lane and a lot of other people wanted me to do this car sound and monster truck sound, so I'm going to do it on YouTube because everybody wants me to. Every single buddy at school on the bus laughed and clapped for me because this awesome car sound I can make. Don't leave bad comments. Don't leave, just don't be mean. And yeah. So here is the most requested one. Everybody suggested me to do the monster truck sound first, and it's a pretty good one. I like it. Yeah. So, sorry for the music in the background, but so guys, this is monster truck, and yeah, I'm gonna start. Mouth is like this. So that is the monster truck. If you've never seen monster truck, sorry for spoiling that for you. But yeah, that's what monster truck sounds like. So yeah, and well, that's my opinion. So put your opinions in the comments below. So just yeah. So yeah, this is the notchback, Ford Mustang notchback, Ford notchback Mustang. My dad had this, and he used to do it for drag racers. He sold it, and a person in Georgia, so they're still using it for drag racers. My dad seen it on Facebook, so nobody sold it or nobody's took it apart, but somebody, me and my dad hold it 11-second wheelie, straight, 11 seconds long wheelie. Yeah, I think it was 2, 5 years, 2, 3, 4, 5 years ago, but yeah, here it is. No, sorry about that. Okay, so you know when you first put your keys in, ding, 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 and then when you turn them, ding, ding, ding. The gears. Is the notchback Mustang, and so yeah guys, what? So yeah, that's the notchback Mustang. Comment if you like it. So and this is the dirt bike. I think it sounds like a dirt bike. So yeah, comment down below if this is funny. Or this. So yeah, this is the dirt bike. Well, I'm only doing it when it's running in the gears because I don't know the ding 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 thing that I did with other cars. I don't know what a dirt bike sounds like that because I don't have a dirt bike. And yeah, so this is just gears and the dirt bike sound and the gears. So guys, if you like this video, please slam that like button, slam that subscribe button. And I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye.